Let's create AI investment app using Python. We import OS for system operations, NumPy for numerical arrays, Flask components for the web interface, and linear regression as our ML model to predict future portfolio value. This initializes the Flask application, so we can define routes and handle HTTP requests. We define a function to encapsulate all model training logic, keeping it clean and callable on app startup. We define training samples where each row contains 3 features: initial investment, monthly contribution, and risk level 1 to 10, representing different investor profiles. We calculate target portfolio values using a formula that applies a risk-based growth multiplier to the initial investment and adds the total contributions over 60 months, producing realistic outcome estimates. We initialize a linear regression model, train it on our investment dataset, and return it so it can be stored globally and reused for every prediction request. We call the training function once at app startup and store the trained model in a global variable, ready to serve predictions without retraining on each request. This route serves the homepage, rendering the HTML UI where users can enter their investment details to get a 5-year portfolio forecast. This route handles post requests from the frontend, receiving investment inputs and returning an AI-predicted portfolio value. We parse the incoming JSON body and extract the 3 investment inputs: initial amount, monthly contribution, and risk level, converting each to a float with a safe default value. We pass the 3 inputs as a 2D list to the trained model, retrieve the predicted portfolio value, and round it to 2 decimal places for clean display. We return a JSON response with the raw predicted value and a formatted human-readable message displaying the estimated portfolio in currency format for the front end to present to the user. If any error occurs during input parsing or prediction, we catch it and return a 400 bad request JSON error response with the exception message instead of crashing the app. This starts the Flask development server in debug mode, enabling live reloading and detailed error output during development. Now here is our index.html, where I have designed the all-user interface. If you'd like access to this code, just send me a message on our Discord server.